Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning Lounge. Today's topic is medicines and infectious diseases. In this video, we will explore how medicines work, the different forms they come in, and how to use them safely to treat various infections and diseases. So, what exactly are medicines? Medicines are substances that doctors prescribe to prevent, treat, or cure diseases. They work by killing bacteria, viruses, or other harmful microorganisms in our body. Medicines come in different shapes and forms, just like our favorite candies. Some medicines are tablets we swallow, some are liquids we sip, and some are even creams we rub on our skin. Now, let's talk about the different ways you take medicines. Injections. Injections are used when medicines need to reach your bloodstream quickly or when they can't be absorbed well through the digestive system. Injections are typically used in emergencies or when other forms of medicines are not effective enough. Have you ever seen someone in a hospital with a drip? Drip delivers fluids or medications slowly over time. They are often used when someone is severely dehydrated. Drips can also supply nutrients to people who are too sick to eat. This method ensures that the medicine or fluid enters our bloodstream and provides a long lasting effect. Syrups. Syrups are a popular form of medicine for children and people who have trouble swallowing pills. They are liquid, often flavored to make them taste better, and can be measured with a spoon or a measuring cup. Medicines like cough syrups or pain relief syrups are easily absorbed through the digestive system. Syrup are particularly useful when precise doses are required because the amount can be easily adjusted. Tablets are probably the most common form of medicine. These small solid pills are easy to store and carry. When you swallow a tablet, it dissolves in your stomach, allowing the medicine to be absorbed in your bloodstream. Some tablets, like pain relievers, work quickly, while others are designed to release the medicine slowly over time. But always remember to follow your doctor's instructions about how to take them. Taking medicines safely is extremely important. Always follow the prescription. Never take more than the recommended dose, even if you think it will make you feel better faster. It can actually be dangerous. Take your medicine at the same time every day. And if you miss a dose, don't double up to catch up. Also, make sure to store your medicine in a cool, dry place and out of reach of children. Never share your medicine with others because what works for you might not be safe for someone else. Now it's time to talk about the very special type of medicine, vaccine. Vaccines are an incredible scientific achievement that prevent many infectious diseases. Vaccine contain a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria which helps your immune system recognize and fight the real thing in the future. Vaccines are crucial for keeping communities safe and are often given in childhood. Adults also need boosters to maintain immunity. Thank you so much for watching this video on Learning Lounge. I hope now have I hope You now have a better understanding of medicines, their forms, and how to use them safely. Don't forget that staying informed and following your doctor's advice is key to maintaining good health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Stay healthy and take care.